Hello and welcome back to Mount It. My name is Tyler and today we'll be going over how to install MI-303B, which is our heavy-duty tilting TV wall mount. Let's jump right into it. First step to installing our mount is to locate the studs. Once the studs are located, lightly mark on the wall with a pencil. Grab the wall plate and place it up against the wall. Locate where you marked your studs and use the integrated bubble on the wall plate to make sure that your plate is level. Once your wall plate is level, mark where you want to create the pilot holes. These marks should be right along your studs. Remove the wall plate and create your pilot holes by using a drill. Once your pilot holes are created, grab your wall plate again and use the provided hardware to install the plate to the wall. Let's move on to installing the brackets on the back of our television. Make sure that the knobs of the brackets are facing outwards and away from one another. Line up the brackets with the holes on the back of the television. Once lined up, use the provided hardware and fasten the brackets down. Now that our brackets are secured on the back of our TV, it's time to lift our television onto the wall plate. Now that our television is installed to the wall plate, take a screwdriver and fasten the locking screws that are located at the bottom of the brackets on the back of the TV. To adjust your TV, loosen the tilt knobs. The continuous tilt feature allows for a better viewing angle and reduced glare. Congratulations, you've officially installed our heavy-duty tilting TV wall mount. We'll see you in the next video.